Hey, Mark here. Welcome to the channel where crypto meets code. New? Don't forget to subscribe for clear, no hype breakdowns of Web3, DeFi, and the tech shaping finance.
Hi guys, I'm Mark, and today I'm going to show you how to launch an Honeypot scam token on any blockchain. You can do this on Binance Smart Chain, Base, Avalanche, Ethereum, and whatever. So the first thing you want to do is open Remix and create a new file. I'm gonna call it honeymeme.sol. Remember to add the .sol extension and obviously name it as you like. Name the contract. So in this case, I chose honeymeme, and here we need to paste the source code. You will find it in the description of this video. This is essentially the code of this file. And we need to change these 3 lines. So the name here, I'm going to type honeymeme. And for the symbol, I'm going to put hmeme. And here on the supply, you can type whatever you want, but remember to add 18 times 0 after your supply number. So in this case, I'm going to type 9 million. And then I need to add 18 times 0. Like this number equals to 9 million tokens. So now that the contract file is ready, we will move here on the compiler and select this version of the compiler, 0.8.18. And we need to click on Compile, our contract name. Now we can move here on the Deploy and Run Transactions button. And before we can launch our token on the blockchain, we need to connect our wallet into the website. So here I got my MetaMask. I'm going to disconnect it for demonstration. We need to click on here and on MetaMask. We will get a pop-up like this. Connect, and now we are connected to the website. This is our account, and we are ready to deploy our contract. We need to copy our wallet address here and paste it. Next, to deploy, and now we click on Deploy, and to deploy our contract. We will pay a small fee. This also depends on the blockchain, where you're gonna launch your token. AVAX got really small fee, like few bucks. Binance Smart Chain is the same, and also Base. I would recommend doing this on AVAX and on Binance Smart Chain, but you will see many scam tokens also on Base Chain. Okay, so here we got our new token. This is the address we can copy it, and we can also find it on the blockchain. Here I'm on AVAX testnet, so I'm on the testnet domain. I will paste the contract, and as you can see, I got honeymeme, hmeme. I can click on it and the supply is correct, 9 million, and that's it. So now back into Remix. What you need to know is that at the moment, this token is normal, so it is not an honeypot. To enable the honeypot mode, we need to set the fees to 0 and 99, so the buy fee needs to be 0, so people can buy the token without paying for fees. But the sell fee has to be 99, so people won't be able to sell their tokens. Obviously, we as the contract owner will be able to make sales. But if you want to whitelist another wallet, you can do it here. And so you paste your wallet here, and here you write true. When you click on Transact, your wallet will be whitelisted and will be able to make sales, even if the fees are set to 99. So now, how do we get our token on a DEX, like on DEX Screener, like this? So essentially, all the tokens we created here are gonna go live on DEX Screener after the first transaction, after the first buy transaction. So we need to create the liquidity pool to give a price to the token, and then we need to fake a buy. So our token will appear here, like this token. You can see it has just 2 buy transactions, and it popped up on the DEX Screener. So we need to open Trader Joe, or any other decentralized exchange for your blockchain. Here for AVAX, I'm using Trader Joe, and we need to create a new pool. So here I'm going to go into Pool, create New Pool and V1, and then we select AVAX or any other token. I'm going to put just.1, and on the bottom we're going to paste our contract address. Here we go, HMeme total supply. We need to approve it. Confirm this transaction. And now we can add the liquidity . Here we go. Our token is now live on the blockchain. So the pair is live. If you go into pools, and on my pools, I can find it and I can remove the liquidity anytime. So I just need to go into remove liquidity, set 100%, so the total liquidity. And as you can see, I'm going to remove 9 million HMeme and 0.1 wrapped AVAX. Obviously, when people buy the token, they will buy it from here, and the AVAX in the liquidity pool will increase, but we can take them out whenever we want. Once the liquidity is live, you can go into trade. You can buy your own token, but do this on another wallet so that it doesn't appear like the owner bought the token. You can put like any number here, you can do the first transaction, and then your token will pop up on DEX Screener. And essentially you're done. You can then go into pool. Then my pool's here. Remove liquidity and remove the total liquidity. And we removed the liquidity. As you can see, I'm removing 0.1 AVAX. This means that after we pull the liquidity, we need to trade our wrapped AVAX for the native AVAX, like this. And we are done. We have our AVAX back, and that's it essentially for the contract. And just to remind that, I don't want to encourage anyone to use this contract, and that I'm not responsible for any bad usage of this code. You can find me on Telegram, you can DM me for any question or any problem, or everything I'll reply as soon as possible. Just check the description.
If this helped you cut through the noise, like, subscribe and tap the bell. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and I'll see you next time.